Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq guides, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Ooh, yeah. Own your future now, let the market sway. Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market, where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay.
All right, good morning, good morning. Miss K, good morning. Running a little late today. Just got home. I think we're waiting on futures floor. He had something to do also. Kid had AB on a roll. Wow. Somebody was jamming the music last night. Turn it on, blow my eardrums out. Still setting stuff up. How are we looking on the market? Hourly, just kind of sideways, kind of chop. Did take a trade already. Scalp short. I don't know, it looked bullish, we pumped up and then it just went sideways, so on the hourly. So who knows? 30 minutes, still sideways. 5 minute. It's kind of bearish. See which way it breaks. Bears want to try to break down there. Below that line, take it to the 25,400. Bulls want to try to break above, take it to the 25,800. Two-minute chart, just as sideways as the rest. Trish, good morning. Still going through, setting everything up. Like I said, I just got home right before I started the stream. Kid got AB on a roll. Had to go support him. Have all these people like jam-packed in this little room. I'd like fight to get out of there. Let me out, let me out. I haven't heard from Mike yet, but he said he'll be here sometime around 10. believe it's today, Friday, so we're gonna do the giveaway today. Miss K's got like what, 6 balls in the giveaway. It's awesome. Thought the bot was gonna take another short, but then the price just jumped up. We're also kind of hovering around the Globex Open. That's what this blue line here is. Price tends to just kind of go sideways. It's to open at 6 o'clock in the evening. Price tends to kind of bounce around a bit when it's in that area. Wait for it to pick more of a direction. Been checking the news for the day. We got 9:45 service PMI, 10 o'clock University of Michigan sentiment. We got news in 2 minutes. And then again, 10. So if you're trading with a company, you have to be out during news. Keep that in mind. Got all about the short stream. Trade like a pro. Good morning. Forgot about the short stream there for a little bit. Sorry about that. I wasn't ignoring you. Showed up late, ran in the house, started the stream, tried to figure everything else out after that. That's the way other people do it too, right? I don't know. Also had to turn my bot on so I could take the morning trades. There we are. Skeletor, good morning. Doing, man, come on. Goodness, won't work. Alright, best I get. Trade like a pro. Try to fix that chart. Not working. Best I can do for now. Oh, work there. These things work when they want to. They really do. Alright, Friday. Got it going somewhat. How's everybody doing? Fuck, now my mouse died. It's one thing after another, isn't it? Did that to me yesterday. Fortunately, it's the only batteries I got in the mouse. Good news is I have a backup mouse. Feels really awkward to use. You ever get used to a mouse and then like you use a different mouse and you're like, wow, this feels weird. That sucks. This is AA and that's AAA. Uh-oh, I might have found it. No more TV remote. I don't know if y'all know, but I have a vertical mouse my wife bought me. So it really does feel weird to go from a vertical mouse to a regular mouse. All right, I got a mouse again. I don't tell anybody I stole the batteries out the TV remote. Now what time is it there? Trade like a pro, it is 9:50 a.m. Time is it where you're at? Or are you getting on to me for being late? Just saying, I wasn't just late. I had to go to the school. Kid got AB on a roll. Had to be with 300 other people stuffed into a little room, bumping into each other. All right, Maybe not 300. Maybe it's 200. I don't know. Trade like a pro. What time is it where you're at? Kept hearing people say it's supposed to be the coldest day of the century. I'll be honest, it's not that cold where I'm at. Maybe it'll be here tomorrow. (8:22 p.m.) Oh wow, you're from India? I didn't know that. That's cool. That's the other side of the planet. 8:22 p.m. Wow. So I guess it's the evening stream for you. That's cool. Have you been in India before? No, I'm terrible at traveling. I don't even leave Florida that much. God, all these people, and they travel all around the world. It sounds so awesome. And I'm just like, here in Florida. Funny because people in Florida vacation in Florida also. Like, where do y'all go for vacation? We go to Florida. Trade like a pro. You travel a lot? Skeletor, what about you? You're from Florida. Do you travel a lot? You get out? What other states you go to? We're going for a long trade, man, but this is just sideways chop. You think we could get a nice push up? But remember on Fridays, lately, they've been dumping on Fridays. We did get a Friday there. Shot up nicely. Vacation in Florida and Puerto Rico. See, that's what I'm saying. I want to go to Puerto Rico. I've heard a lot of nice things about Puerto Rico. Yeah, you told me before you're from Puerto Rico. Heard it's nice in Puerto Rico. I just heard you got to watch out for the government sometimes. A lot of corruption. Also, I think in Puerto Rico, you don't pay taxes, do you? Or at least like federal taxes. And my keyboard won't work. What are you doing? Come on, man. I think the batteries in my keyboard and my mouse died at the same time or something. Okay, 50, good morning. Yeah, Scale, so I'd like to go see Puerto Rico. Also, we've been to Tennessee quite a few times. I like it there also. Tennessee up in the mountains. I think we might go back to Tennessee this year. Uh-oh, I think we have a guest.
It looks good. Yeah, I look good today. Loud but unclear. Oh, maybe I'm too loud. No, it looks good. Let me see. Let me do a sound test on my end. Sounds good. We'll wait for Omnius to say something. I missed the long.
You're muted. You got to unmute your mic. You're muted. You got to unmute your mic.
Omnius is good. Omnius is good. It's good. We're all good.
We're
all good.
You got to unmute. You're muted. You got to unmute your mic.
Mm-hmm. I just did a sound test. What are you talking about? You're not going to get me a sound test. I'm a minute early. 9:59. Not bad.
Right on time.
Well, I would have been 15 seconds earlier, but I took a long hit.
He was screwing with you too. You show up, everybody's screwing with you.
25. Okay, with the idiots is that what he wrote? Just screwing around with the idiots.
Idioms? I don't know what idioms is.
No, I think we were called idiots. Now it's a typo. I completely mismanaged my trade. It's such a shame.
I forgot what's going on. They put me in a trade, but where's my take profit and stop loss?
Okay, I got to do a quick little analysis just to get an idea.
Do I not get a take profit or stop loss? Exit? What's going on?
Bouncing off the 100 hard, like last time. And we are trading above the 50 already, and we did create a small bullish fair value gap on the daily. Wow, look at the bot. Let me see where the bot is.
Oh, well, so last time I had an error on 3. This time I have an error on 1. Weird.
The bot did really good last night. It's doing really good now, I have to say. Take a look just quick at the Asia session. Oh, look at that. We took out the highs of the Asian session and we took out the lows of the Asian session. We haven't seen this for a long time. We have an 80% probability we're going up to 711. 25,711.
We talking about are you talking about the gray box?
Yeah. We swept both sides, so it's time to go back up to 711. 708, whatever that high is. Let's call it 710.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's interesting. Wow, no kidding. There's also some little bit of resistance at that point. Okay, this is the 15-minute chart.
I showed up, I get going, my mouse dies. Get that going. May or may not have stole the batteries out the TV remote. Don't tell nobody. It's our secret. I'm not admitting to it.
I opened up my main computer and I got the message. What was it? Ninja Trader has an update. You wanna update? Yeah. I said, where's the fuck no button? Forget no. I want fuck no.
Uh-huh. Hell no. What are you talking about?
I might do it on a long weekend when I have a lot of time on my hands. And I can reinstall and
say a lot of bad words to yourself.
Yeah. Not doing it 10 minutes after the market opened. I can promise you that. Okay, let's take a look. Boom, 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 boom.
Who did it? Number one. Number one did
Do
it.
good in the morning. Looks like it was pretty shitty price action in the morning. Looks like I didn't miss much, to be honest with you. Actually, maybe I missed losses. Who even knows? Then again, maybe I missed winners.
Okay. Well, it put the trade and everything in properly. It just didn't give me a take profit and stop loss.
Okay, NQ is showing strength. We're getting up to that 710 area. Asian session. Hey, JC. Wait a minute, JC. Are you a recording?
AI.
Are you AI? Are you a recording? Where are my evening friends? Or my overnight friends?
Mikey, you worry about the mouse dying middle of a trade. Trade of the century. You're sitting there. Almost hits take profit. Mouse dies. Well, you don't have a take profit in or something? Or it's going against you and you can't get out of the trade. JC, good morning. Then it dumps. Yeah. So what I do, Mikey, is I have my... This was all on accident anyways because I was fighting with mouses. But I have my main mouse. I have a backup wireless mouse. Then I have a backup wired mouse that I've never used before. So I really don't even know if it works.
I use wired mice. Both of my mice are wired.
What about the cord just like bouncing around the desk, knocking everything over?
No, kind of have it managed. It goes straight to the back of the desk, so it's cool. I took profit. We got up to 25,710, which is the Asia session high. And I'm also looking at my extension bar that I drew in. I showed you guys yesterday, and we're up like almost, what were we up there? We were up almost like 70% of the second extension bar. So, you know, that's pretty good for me.
I've seen YouTubers that say that they won't trade with the wireless mouse.
Hello.
Are you one of those
Hello,
people?
Sir. Welcome back to the stream. You talking to me or to Mikey?
Probably talking to you.
Talking to Mikey or you talking to Mikey? No, I have no. It's just I don't know why I don't use. I like the feel of these mice. You know, I guess that's more important.
The wired?
Yeah. Well, just not that it's wired. The feel of the actual mouse, the way it fits in my hand and everything. So.
Oh God, mine died a little bit ago, and I grabbed this other one. Oh God, it felt so weird. Because this one's a vertical mouse. And that one's like a flat mouse.
Yeah.
It took me forever to get used to the vertical one. Then you go back to a flat one, and it's just like, oh my god.
I like the big fat ones for my big fat hands. Trade like a pro. Where are you from, if you don't mind me asking?
India.
You might have even told
He
me.
is from India.
Yeah.
He told me that about 10 minutes ago. It is 8. Damn it, what did he say? 8:30 p.m.
Mm.
This is the evening stream for him.
It is the evening stream. He was there for our daytime, for our overnight stream. I haven't. He's laughing. I haven't traded the. Wait, I'm going to get along.
Get along with who?
I'm going to get along at 11. Try to get in at 7. Come on, come down to 7, 7, 7, 7, 10, 10, 9, 9, 9, 8.
Mikey, you have a vertical mouse?
Shh.
Shh, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the other mic.
Targeting 17. 12.
Sir. I was a bit worried about it at first. It took some getting used to, but I think I got it now. Now I use the other mouse and it feels so weird. Also, I used to have all this pain in my wrist. My palm right there. So much pain. And 90% of that went away. Yeah, it's just like that's the way your hand wants to sit naturally. When you get used to your hand the way it sits naturally, you feel like you're like hands like real twisted using a regular mouse. Got tennis elbow and don't play tennis. Sounds good. I'll use it too. Yeah, I got tennis elbow too. I don't play tennis. Mike, how's that long going? Silent treatment. It's okay.
Don't you know you could jinx me if you ask while I'm in the trade?
Are you married to that trade? Yeah, you been in it for 10 minutes. Put a ring on it.
Don't you know you could ruin everything for me?
How you been in it for that long? Put a ring on it.
Yeah. Come on, let's get up to 11. 25, 7, 11. Get back up to that level.
Yeah, Mikey, it feels weird until you use it for 2 weeks and you go back to a regular mouse. And you're like, oh man, what happened? To the moon. Let's go. Do we get to 800 today or do we get the dump?
Look at gold.
I think it's one or the other. I think we either see 800 today or 400.
No, but look at gold.
I don't want to look at gold.
Look at gold. 4,950. Did we hit 5,000? 49.70. I don't think we hit 5,000. We stopped a little bit before it. Are you looking? Look at gold.
I'm looking. We hit 4,970.
970, yeah.
All the gold people are starting to sound like crypto people a few years ago. Diamond hands. Just buy it. It only goes up. Diamond hands.
Okay, I'm good. You know what I like about Top Step?
What?
Gold not going to stop till it reaches 5,300. I don't know. If we pass 5,000, I think it might go to nothing. No. They have that withdrawal rule, 5 days, $150 or 200 or whatever it is. And, I had it on my mind for a bit and I was stressing over it. And I said, you know what, Mike? Not Mikey, Mike, don't stress over it. Make your $50, $75 a day, in a few minutes. And then that's it. Leave it alone. Then when you get the $3,000 or $4,000 in the account, then you go for the $150, $200 days, whatever it is they require. I think it's $150, but it might be $200. But I don't have to do it now. I don't have to take that kind of outsized risk. Because remember, I have a PDLL of actually right now my PDLL is $180. That's it. My platform shuts down, so I can't trade for $200 a day right now.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of those rules.
It's a weird one. I gotta say, it kind of flies in the face of the other things they say when they tell you to trade conservatively and all.
Yeah, trade conservative. Not that conservative, but trade conservative. But not that conservative. I remember.
Okay, so
you don't see it as much now, but I remember when I first started, there was all these like $500 a day challenges or small account challenges and stuff like that. What about all those people? That's my question. Like a lot of people, that's how they want to trade. They want the $100 a day or the $150 a day. Run that 5 accounts. And I mean, great money, easy trading.
It's so the way. And I think so many more people are waking up to it. And who knows, maybe Trades by Matt should be thanked for it. Maybe he was the one that brought it to everyone's attention, because he brought it to my attention really with the
what's that?
$200 a day across his 20 accounts, and he was making $4,000 a day when he was successful. And everybody was tuning in. And back then for me, I'm sure $200 a day was lousy. Perfect pennant forming on the 3-minute, or formatting on the 3-minute. I got to open up Ninja Trader and trade my Bullinox.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't traded all week.
Skeletor, silver hit 100.
No way!
Silver to the moon, gold to the moon, platinum to the moon.
Come on, Mikey. You don't know what a pennant formation means? It means that the price is either going to go higher or lower, depending on where price goes.
He's the one that said it. He don't know what it is? Okay.
Mikey, you should have been around when I was calling bull flags when everyone was seeing bear flags. People had a thesis. Omnius had a thesis. My chart was upside down. And how the fuck you seeing a bull flag? It's a bear flag.
No, you gotta flip your chart. You gotta flip your chart.
It's all in the perspective. And seriously, you know what? It doesn't even matter if I'm right or I'm wrong. If I frame the trade right, I could still make money on that trade.
There you go.
And it wouldn't be a wrong trade. Because if it's framed right and it's traded right with the right size and a good stop loss, all good. That's all that matters.
You know what I've been doing lately?
Let's try to make a few ponies on.
You want to hear a dumbass alert? So the market lately is like, it'll just go and keep missing all of it. We don't get a pullbacks.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, okay, I'll go in with 1 or 2 and then add to it. Next thing I know, I'm losing hundreds of dollars. I really hate that style of trading. I don't know why.
Yeah.
I've been getting back into it. I hate being stuck into a trade, feeling like I can't get out.
Yeah. Yep.
Like, stop it. Just fucking stop it.
And there's the opportunity cost of that also, eh?
I feel like we need a pullback or we don't trade.
Woo! Look at that.
We got 1 minute. Looks like it wants to push, but at the same time, it almost looks like it wants to dump. So I don't know. Take a trade and hope for the best.
How's that for the difference in strength between NQ and ES? This is NQ. Take a look at how close we are to the high of the session. And I'm talking the entire session. Look at ES. Look how far away. ES is much weaker, guys. So keep that in mind. And Q is strong today. And Q is the one with the testosterone today.
So far. To the moon. Come on, let's do it. Push.
You know who I was listening to yesterday? Let's see if you know them. The Steve Miller Band. Isn't that
Sounds familiar.
old rock from the, I guess, 70s, the 80s? YM is running counter again. Really? YM is going down?
YM just does whatever it wants, doesn't it?
Mm. I don't remember if I said it. I'm going to repeat it if I did. Yesterday was a spectacular overnight session with the bot. The bot is killing it, trading micros.
Sweet.
Another $1,000 day, 1,267. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't say another. Yesterday we were up 1,000, and I don't remember what we closed. Up 200, maybe even down 200. It gave it all back. It gave it all back. But the point is, it can make it. That's what matters.
I go into the moon until I take a trade, then they go down. Mother beaches.
We take a warm-up trade.
Uh-huh. Good news is I was in the wrong account. Bad news is I lost all the profits the bot made.
I just took a warm-up trade for the 6 slot, targeting 93, long at 85, out at 79, but I hit my top. I hit my profit. There we go, 93. That was cool.
I'm gonna jump back in.
That was a cool 8 points on a 6 slot, $100.
Sweet.
Yeah.
My son got his award. I was that weird guy, right? I'm like, give me the award. I'm gone.
Yeah.
Like, you're not going to wait around? Hell no.
Did you scream out his name
No,
when he got it?
no. I did take a picture of him and walked over there and gave him a hug.
My wife does that. She screams out the names. David!
Well,
Woot.
they ask people not to do that.
Mm. Market kind of looks like it wants to go down, but it's strong.
Yeah,
so
tell me about it. Yeah.
So it keeps coming back up.
Take all my money. I don't care.
Mm.
Stupid mother bitch.
Mm.
But the same thing happened to me the other day. We got to a point and finally get a pullback and then jump in and lose and jump in again and lose. Small 15-minute gap. Yep. Also, Mikey, the good thing about that gap is it's got a support right there with it too. So that makes it an even better gap.
Your gap is better than my gap?
Mm-hmm. Gap with a breakout and a support, and that's at 657. So right below that is ORB high. Now we got 3 influences. And smaller support there as well.
Hey!
Hey, what?
Wasn't filling me. Went through my offer and didn't fill me.
I'm not buying it again.
That's
Fuck
illegal.
it to the moon. Take it. I don't care.
bought it. You proud of me?
I am. Good job.
Whoa, nice move from 674 all the way up almost to 730. Can't believe you missed that.
Fucking guy, right?
Oh, Lord. Oh, got another long trade. I'm not taking it, though. Should I? Maybe. I don't know. Let's see where we're long at. Oh, no. Sorry. Cancel. Wrong chart. My charts are in the wrong place.
Anyways, I do feel like both attempts that I took were good trades. They just didn't work. Trade's not a bad trade because it didn't work. Trade's a bad trade because it didn't follow the rules. If it works 70% of the time, then it's a good trade. It just didn't work that time.
Guys, give me a moment. I'm just fixing some code. Solid.
We have direction. We had nice pullbacks, nice entry. Just wasn't ready to go yet. That's always the $1 million question, right? Which time's the right time when it's ready to go? Shit, y'all figure that out. Stop what you're doing immediately and let me know.
Yeah, so going back to Top Step, I'm liking that thing, and I'm really starting to get very, a very bad taste in my mouth for trailing drawdown. I'm really starting to feel it's just unfair and punitive.
Top Step have trailing drawdown?
No, it's end of day.
End of day.
Changes everything, you know.
How much drawdown do you get?
$2,000. But you know, when you're ahead, $100, $200, you can push it. You know, if you're in the mood, you can say, no big deal. It won't hurt my drawdown, and maybe I can have a big day, you know?
Yeah. Why can't you push it on a trailing drawdown?
Well, because then if you go into, you know, you get ahead, then you start losing, and you get back your profits, let's say, and then some.
Mm-hmm.
You know, let's say you're up 200 and you end up down 200. You just gave away $400 of your drawdown.
But you get an extra 500.
Yeah, but you know, it adds up day after day after day. And besides that, for me, it's psychological. What's the 50K $89 account? Oh, that's the one with no activation or something. I'd rather pay the activation. Good morning, happy kid. Looks like you guys are making money today. Yeah, the bot's doing great. I'm doing great.
Happy
I don't
kids,
think I've had any losers. Showed up late. Maybe I missed all the garbage. Maybe
Yeah, it was kind of choppy at the open.
Beachcomber. Hey, Omnius.
Beachcomber, good morning.
How's it going, Beachcomber? How's it going, Beachcomber? Beachcomber, you sticking around for the giveaway games? I don't even know what we're playing today. We have such a variety. You know what? It's not like I don't already have enough stress trying to figure out what to make for supper every day.
Yeah, right.
My family. Now I got to decide what game we're going to play also. I think I'm going to have to put some burden on your shoulders. You decide what game we play. Giveaway. No, it's exclamation mark giveaway, not giveaway with a question mark. But to be honest with you, Beachcomber, with my personality, I like giveaway with a question mark much better than giveaway with an exclamation mark. I am changing it from now on. To enter the giveaway, you got to put giveaway with a question mark.
Like giveaway or no giveaway?
That's my personality. That's it. Giveaway?
No, you're supposed to have the excitement. You need the exclamation mark for the excitement.
How about a giveaway? Giveaway, I like that too. A guy with a sense of humor. I like it. I like it.
I think we're supposed to go camping this weekend. Mike, you like camping, don't you?
I used to love it, yeah.
What about the sleeping
What
on
is
the
it?
ground part?
No, don't bother me none.
Really?
Yep.
Oh man. I wake up, back's killing me, legs won't move, arms broken.
Complain too much. Beachcomber, we got something in common. I love the channel too. Omnius, you love the channel?
Some days. Come on, man.
Come on, man.
I lose a bad trade when I decide to take the trade. The market throws a red candle. Skeletor.
Bullshit.
You take the same trade I took? Or you just took another one?
Okay, Beachcomber, I know who you are. I know who you are.
Guys, I don't want to brag, but I can buy the top of the market.
You're setting me up.
Let's see. Who likes Latin music?
Not only do I like Latin music, I create my own Latin music.
Pull out the guitar and play us a Latin song.
Yeah, it's coming, it's coming. Hey, he opened the door, don't blame me. I try not to play it.
How much wood?
Yeah. Who said that? Of course, how much wood?
What?
Come on, think about it.
How much wood
You
could
like-
a woodchuck chuck?
Uh-huh.
I don't know. All I can think, if I'm walking down the road and some girl walks by and she's like, how much wood? I'm like, huh?
It's okay, Beachcomber. I'll tell him later. Here. Beachcomber, this one's for you. Thank you for allowing me to play it. Hold on, I want to put it in my ears. I can't even see how loud it is yet.
Yeah, Mike was supposed to make us a dance video.
You might like this one. Every night at 12.
Guys, we need a poll. Mike, start us a poll. Who all thinks Mike should do a dance video?
Yeah, I'm already dancing. I'm already moving my head.
Skeletor, if this trade sets up and I buy it, is it gonna dump? Is it possible? Can it do it to me 3 times?
Okay, that's enough. Wink, wink. Nudge, nudge.
Playing music over there?
Yep, I closed it. That was just to wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Delete. Yes. Okay, let's get back to trading.
Wink, wink, nudge, nudge.
It sounds like a Barney song. I know you, you know me.
Pretty sure that song's where suicide was invented. Pretty sure suicides went up 100-fold that year.
Holy shit.
Could be wrong, but that's the rumor I heard.
Come on. Long at 53. I am long at 52. Nothing better. Targeting 60. 56.
Don't know if my
Something you
kids
don't
ever
know. We
watched
never know.
Barney.
Oh. Thought you meant you don't know on the trade. Of course we don't know on the trade.
Your kids are a bit older. They probably watch Barney.
Are you kidding me? Yeah, they watch a lot of Barney. They were Barnacles.
My kids are into something called K-pop Demon Hunter and
Yeah.
like some weird like creature-looking things.
Yeah, we had that too. Also, it came from China.
Spunkies.
Forgot what it was.
I don't even know what a spunky is.
These tall creatures.
What's the other one? Catnap. Not sure what a catnap is either.
I think what my kids watched was Bakugan. Does that make sense? And they used to do these tours in the Bakugan battles. They were these little spinner things. And
never heard of her.
Let's full port. Short in. K-pop.
Full port short or long?
Beachcomber, did you subscribe? Go give a subscription. My daughters love it. Go give a subscription on my channel and on Omnius's. Make our weekend. I sub. Go give Omnius a sub.
I could use a sub. The chicken teriyaki? Or like the public subs?
No, steak. Steak,
man.
and more steak. It's the only one I order.
The chicken, what is it? The buffalo chicken public subs? Yeah. Oh, man. That's good stuff.
You know what? If I win the giveaway today.
Skeletor Italian from Publix or Italian from somewhere else? I feel like in Florida, there's a Publix subs and there's everything else. So if you win the giveaway, what?
I'm going to go have a submarine first. I'm going to go to Subway's for lunch with my son.
All right, I'm out. Whatever. It just keeps bouncing up and down.
Only if I win the giveaway.
If you win the giveaway, if I win, do I get pizza?
Yeah, Friday's a good pizza day, no?
I guess not. They won't let me have pizza.
Friday's that's a great way to start the weekend. Oh, I know who okay. So stupid.
What's happening, Woodchuck? Not much. What's happening, Woodchuck? Beachcomber. Thanks for stopping by. I take a poll. What's for dinner? Pizza or subs? I don't know. Subway, I don't know. Haven't been in the Subway subs for a while.
I like hot dogs and mashed potatoes. We used to have that at my house when I was growing up. But if I do that here, whoo-wee, they almost throw me out of the house.
I don't blame them. Although I do like mashed potatoes.
Omnius, where's your channel? Mikey, all you got to do for Omnius's channel is !O, which I'm soon going to change to O?. Give it a second. There you go.
Pops up just like that, huh?
Like magic. Let's see where it brings you right to him, I think.
Now it's pushing. Bet if I still buy it, I bet it'll still dump.
But I can't leave it up because not the link, but I can't leave his channel up on my screen because he plays music and he does it on purpose, so I get a copyright strike. That's how he sets me up once a week. Hey, come check out my channel. He's playing his music.
Now we're echoing. Hey, you just got to turn one off. Yeah, mute one. The cool thing is you get to see my setup. You get to see his setup. How am I looking at trades? How's he looking at trades?
What he's wearing on his stream. What he's wearing on my stream.
Yeah, I wear different clothes on my stream than his stream. And we listen to a little bit of music. I try to keep it down low. If you're on the phone, sometimes it's a bit louder, but I can't help that. They do that, not me.
I think they'll like your music better than mine.
Had to leave the other stream. They were in the weeds for a minute. On the minute. Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm on the 15-second chart. I don't know. Do you guys like the 15-second chart? Should I change it to the 1 minute?
Yeah, sometimes we don't wear clothes on Mike's stream. It's nice. It's a weird stream. We don't know why.
Okay, you distracted me. Yeah, there's more action on the 15-second chart, but maybe not too many people are into it.
Mike, I'm going to do that one day. We're going to show up. We're going to have different clothes in your stream and then my stream.
That's doable. More than doable. I know how to do that. It's more than doable. Duplicate new tab. Let's get a 2-minute chart up.
Besides, let's be honest. For me to have different clothes, I'd have to wear something other than black for once.
I dress like you. You dress like me. You put on the open sweater.
That might be too much.
And the headphones. I get the black cap and the black t-shirt.
Nah, that might be too far.
Okay, yeah. Now we're stretching it. That is series. 2 minutes. Let's get a 2-minute chart up.
Everyone wants longer hold, but nobody can do it. Beachcomber, I feel you there. Here's my problem, Beachcomber. I try to do the longer hold, but the majority of my trades are seconds. So when I try to do the longer hold, something already feels off because it's already not a normal trade. So I can hold for longer holds. I often joke about it, but I can hold for longer holds. I also use a bot that holds for a really long time.
Yeah, just use bot, man. I want to talk to you about that also.
I already hit high temperature and it's only 9:30. 10:30 where I'm at. Mikey, where you from? Smaller size and bigger stops. It's more relaxed. Beachcomber. Sometimes I trade that way and sometimes I don't. So what I like, generally, as long as the market's cooperating with me, I like short stops because I can lose several trades in a row and then take a couple good trades and I'm right back to green. Where the wind comes rushing across the plains. Is that the desert?
So Beachcomber, what do you recommend for longer hold time if the 1 minute is absolute trash? You go up to the 5. You can't do much longer than that. I mean, you go to 15-minute or 30-minute, and you're only going to get 2 trades a week.
South Oklahoma. Eat. It's so Beachcomber. I think it's all about how you want to trade and how the market's acting. A few weeks ago, I did the wider stops, lowered the contracts, and the wider take profit. So I'm good with that also. But the one I like the most is the shorter stops. Because once again, like you just seen, I just took, 2 losses in a row. I'm actually on the same account the bot was on. That was actually kind of an accident. But already back in a good spot. So to me, you take, I think the stop right now is 15 points. So me, you take 15-point stops and it's not that hard to get back to a good spot. The armpit of the state. Beachcomber says he uses the 15 in the daily. Beachcomber, I also have the 15 up. I use the 5, the 15, the 2-minute, the hourly, and a 2600 volume chart. Heikin-Ashi with a 2600 volume Heikin-Ashi chart with a super trend. Sounds complicated, doesn't it, Mike? Coin surfer.
Well, you just gave me an idea. I'm going to put the super trend on a 2-minute chart. I'm curious to see that. What's it called, the super trend? It's not called super trend. There's a word before it. TS.
Yeah, that's the one I got. TS super trend.
Fucking idiot. They couldn't just call it super trend TS. They have to put the TS in front. So when you're looking for super trend, you got to remember what the
yeah, right.
Fucking initials are. Seriously.
It's kind of a broken code, though. Told you before, DeepSeek wanted to rewrite the super trends for me. I told it no. I kind of wish I'd have kept that code now.
Well, in the 2-minute, it called the turn really nice.
What are we looking at here? 2-minute chart with the gaps mapped out. Omnius trades. Yes, we are looking at Omnius trades. Hi. Yeah, it's kind of fun. Yeah, it was a little fun. I tried a little
Hi, my name is Omnius. You can see that my name is Omnius right above me. I have my name right there. See it?
Mikey, we are looking at a 2-minute MNQ chart with the gaps plotted out. I think that's a cool indicator. Sometimes I'll even break out my tool and add to them if I think they're a decent gap. I think this one's decent because it has support right there. This one, not so much, I guess. I also use 50-period EMA bands. Mike told you the other day, I believe, or somebody, how to make the bands. So it's using the high and the low. And if you look back, you can see those bands actually work really well. That's what I'm using today. Sometimes I also like using, to take those off, put that on, is the Vidya bands. Don't ask, I know, that's weird.
I love the veggie bands.
But you can once again look back and see how great that shows direction. A lot of people think that the market changes direction constantly. It does not. The market really only changes direction about 2 to 5 times a day. So, see here, we're short. So let's plot a line, right? So, actually, I don't even like that. Let's do boxes. So here, we're short. Here we're long. You can see a little spot right there, but if you're buying the pullbacks, it shouldn't be that big of an issue. If I knew how to color my charts, probably be a lot better also. Life's hard when you're talking and doing it at the same time. Then we see here short. And once again here long. And that concludes our day. So the only real question is, if you're looking at those boxes, could you make money short in there? Could you make money long in there? Could you make money short in there? And then we have the close. So that's what I use to tell me direction. Actually, a little secret, I didn't even have to fill all those boxes out. I could have done all that in like 2 seconds. Let me show you how. I'm right here. Go there. Add background. Not that one. That one. So I even have an indicator that plots it. So you can see there. And I also have another version of that plot there. Though I find that it clutters up the chart and a lot of people don't know what it is, so I just take it off. And I also have how do I get the, there we go. So one more for you. So I have 3 different options. Now this one's plotted by the gap averages. So this is the indicator that plots the gaps on the chart, and it's telling you the average of those gaps. Once again, you can see here we're shorting, here we're long, here nice shorts, and that's showing you the strength of those gaps and the strength in the market. So see the strength down, the strength up, a little bit sideways, once again down and up.
I'm just curious.
I didn't do it.
Hold on. I want to see your face.
Missed the chat for a little bit. Talking. What we got? We're short.
I said I was curious.
Yeah.
I want to see your face for this one. I put you on big screen. So would you say that explanation?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, sir, go ahead.
So would you say that explanation you gave was shorter in time than the explanation I gave yesterday? Would you say that?
Hold on, give me a second.
Maybe I'm gonna time them.
Hold on, give me a second. Hide, guys. Everybody hiding?
Just saying.
Guys, Omnius left.
There's no pick anything. We're not. You know what? I'm not trading. Fuck off. Let's launch. Let's launch. Deal me in. Come on, man. Okay, there we go. Deal me in is.
Mike ran Omnius off.
Hey, no.
That's a good question.
Hey, no.
That's a good question. Liked it.
It was funny, huh? That was funny, huh?
Mike loves veggie hands unless it's pizza.
Hey, bro. Looks very interesting. Chart. Which chart looks very interesting? Oh, that one. Yeah, that's the 2 minute. That's an Omnius chart. Thank him for that one. Yeah, I like that chart too. Omnius put me onto the 2 minute chart. I used to give him a hard time telling him who uses who. Nobody even has a 2 minute chart. Platforms don't even let you create a 2 minute chart, which is kind of the truth. They do, but like you have to work at it. TradingView, you have to pay for it. Tubbs!
No, you don't have to pay for
Tubbs!
2 minute.
Yes. Yes. We are.
Pretty sure you could do a 2 minute without paying on TradingView.
I think the 2 minute was Tubbs. Type in giveaway question mark to be in the giveaway game. Tubbs was my buddy through the night last night.
Mike, next time I'll try to shorten my answers. I was trying to go quickly.
Oh, no. Fine. It's fine.
I was trying to go quickly.
It's fine. It's fine. Beachcomber.
I didn't even talk about the odd candles. The fairly odd candles.
Everything is good with me. The coffee is good. The day is good. The only thing that's not really working. I love that with the yo in front. Yo, Tubbs. Did you say hi to Tubbs?
Yo, Tubbs. Good morning.
Louder.
Yo, Tubbs. Good morning.
There we go. Tubbs, go give Omnius a sub. Give me a second. Forget. Bangs, you too. There you go. Live now with Omnius Trades. Show up. Join in. Say whatever's on your mind. There's the link. Go click it. Brings you right into his stream. Go give him a sub. I have a theory that our stream is going to get much funnier. You guys go sub to on Omnius' channel. It's just a theory. Players, let me see if it's even working. I don't even know. Bangs and Beachcomber are there.
To the moon.
Throw you in. Okay, well, we weren't really supposed to run qualifiers today, but I guess we are.
Anybody taking advantage of this 250-point move up?
Not me.
Took advantage of a little bit of it.
Beachcomber.
Bangs, I moved quick. Good job.
Beachcomber, you're never going to catch up to Woodchip Slays. 515 points on the leaderboard. Wow. Maybe I should accidentally reset the leaderboard. Oops.
What is it?
The leaderboard on Deal Me In. Woodchip is at 515 points.
Oh, wow.
It's pretty even. You know, you win, you lose, you win, you lose, you win, you lose. And you only get 10 points. So that's a lot of net winnings. That's going to be hard for anyone to reach.
Mike, you want R and bounce? Days like this are hard, and it's kind of weird. It's like, all you got to do is buy, right?
Yeah.
But I bought several times, and every time I buy it, freaking goes against me. Actually, I could have held a little bit better a few times. Mikey, I use a 2600 volume Heikin-Ashi chart for my entries. Works better when I actually listen to it, but life's hard and we always have to relearn the hard way every day, right? But I actually look for a pullback. Candle turns red, turns green, buy it. Pullback. Right there is where I bought. Went against me. Bought again. Nice hammer candle. I still like the trade. Went against me. Didn't buy. Mike's like, hey, buy right here. I'm like, no, I'm not doing it the third time. And to the fucking moon, right? What can you do? Another entry right there. Great entry.
Do not copy my trades. We all get lucky sometimes. Let's go with yellow.
Do not copy our trades. We may or may not trade drunk. Gotta have some disclaimer, the best I can come up with.
Hey, David.
Bangs, thanks for subscribing. Appreciate you.
You guys think people who passed through COVID thought it was the end? I don't know anyone who thought it was the end of the world. I heard stories of some crazy people charting, like, you know, the deaths as it was going across the globe, but
2400 Heikin-Ashi. No, Mikey, I use 2600 on the MNQ, 2000 on the NQ. What about you, Mike? Was you one of those people?
What are we talking about? I can't even follow anymore.
Were you one of those people scared to go outside during the whole thing?
No.
I'm be honest with y'all, man. I was outside living a good life. Like, everybody was scared to go outside. Like, all the cities were vacant. And people like me were freaking loving it, man.
And what do you think? Why do you think everyone loves Ron DeSantis now? That's the main reason. That's how I was introduced to Ron DeSantis.
Well, I mean,
Florida was the place to be during that. We can't use that word, eh? So we have to call it something else. During the you have your shirt off. Yeah, guys, don't put that in here. I don't know. I think they're still very sensitive about that word. Actually, let me remove that message. There we go.
Shirt off. What are you talking about, shirt off?
But during, do you know? My daughter was young then. She was working. I don't know how old she was, but I had to go pick her up from work. Do you know we had a signed authorization for the police to be able to go out after, I think it was 8 or 10 o'clock, so I can go get her? There was a curfew or whatever you call it. I don't know if you call it a curfew.
Yeah, curfew. We had that from time to time.
Nobody was allowed out. I swear to God, it was like a movie. You get in your car and there was no one.
Mm-hmm. So
Yeah,
I used to go all over the place.
Mm.
But yeah, I didn't have no problems. Yeah, we had curfews from time to time. I didn't care. I mean, I'm gonna do what I want. I mean, how do you say it? They were curfews, but they were mandates, right? They're not laws. They're mandates. They're like, oh, well, you can't go out. I'm like, fuck your mandate. I don't care about your mandate.
Well, they were ticketing, and they were ticketing for like $2,000, $5,000, $10,000. So I'm not about to go and try and fight that in court. Thank you very much.
I'll go fight it in court. There was a lot of people fighting them in court, and their mandates, they can't hold up.
The only thing that one of the exceptions was animals. You could take your dogs out for a walk. Anyways, I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about that period of time. Who brought it up? Beachcomber. Canada, of course, you lose. Beachcomber. It's not so concerning that he doesn't know who you are right now, but if I tell him who you are and he still can't figure it out, then I'm really worried.
It probably. Hold on. Give me a second. Omnius hiding again.
Then I'll be worried.
I'm still here. Calm down.
I never asked you, Beachcomber. I'm just curious. How far do you live from the beach? Are you like a 5-minute drive? Are you right on the beach? You guys with your beaches, you're so lucky.
All right, tell me who he is so I can tell you I don't know.
I'll tell you later.
Okay. It'll go over better anyways. Halftime, I don't remember who I am. Mike, that period of time, I had so much fun fucking with people. Y'all just don't realize how much fun you can have fucking with people.
There she goes. There she goes. Why am I singing? Oh boy, I'm really comfortable on stream now. Seriously.
Oh, the lions and tigers are getting it.
What Omnius Beachcomber wants to know, what do you think he's doing?
At the beach, combing his hair.
30 minutes, no traffic. Oh, that's far. That's not cool. That's not fun. Got to be closer. You live near an ocean and you don't live near the ocean, that's a crime. That's a crime against humanity.
No way. No. Living by the beach is crazy expensive.
Well, I don't mean on the beach, but like,
No,
within
no.
5 minutes.
No, by the beach. Crazy expensive.
When you mean by the beach, do you mean 5 minutes away? Is that what you're
5,
referring
10,
to?
15.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
I thought just on the beach.
No.
If there's beachfront property.
My same house, half hour that way, would be like 3 times the amount of money.
No
if not 4.
kidding. No way. I didn't think of that at all.
Oh yeah. I got family that lives over there. Mm-hmm.
Good tax for the sun in the sand. Wow. I'm feeling stupid getting out of the trade. You see, that's why you should let a bot just run. You want to know where I got out of the trade? Let me check the executions.
Skeletor, is this going to dump? Skeletor. Never short a dull market is pumping.
714.
All those little dips are people thinking it's dumping, and they're getting ripped apart.
I took the bot out of the trade at 714. So probably somewhere here at 10 o'clock. It's at 823 now. It's up another 110 points. It had a 4 lot. That's $8. It would have had another $800 in there. Anyways, look, sometimes it works out.
Omnius is from Alabama. Alabama.
It does seem like it.
Nope. Bamo's from Alabama. I haven't seen him in a while. Omnius is from Florida. Florida.
Omnius lives in Florida right now.
Or does he? We really don't know. Because the guy really don't give us straight answers about anything.
But where's he from? Where is he from? Where was he born? Where did he grow up to get that accent? You can't get that accent in Florida.
Florida.
You can't go to school with Floridians and get that accent.
Look, I don't even know anybody with my accent. Kind of weird. There must have been like a show on TV that I really loved as a kid.
Dukes of Hazzard. That's gotta be it.
Oh, we did watch Dukes of Hazzard. My dad loved watching all those Western movies. Maybe that's what it is. John Wayne and stuff like that.
Well, John Wayne didn't have a southern accent.
Some of the other guys did.
Just saying.
Just saying, John Wayne's like the only one I could think of.
Matt Dillon.
Now he's getting defensive. John Wayne did not have a southern accent.
He was my hero growing up. You leave him alone. Nah, it's not true. I wasn't into John Wayne. Somehow John Wayne, Elvis, even though, hey, Miss K, I was just going to say, who's missing today? I was going to see if Omnius would have caught it, but you're here already. Can't do it. Wow. Son Cubano. That's a beautiful, beautiful.
Miss K,
Cuban
come on.
cafe background music. Holy shit. Holy shit. Guys, I hope my speaker's not on. It's going to pick up some music. Terrific.
Man, what a day straight to the freaking moon.
Yep. Today's the day I decide to
Didn't I
come
say
in
this?
late.
What?
Today's the day I come in late and I miss the opportunity.
No, it was choppy as hell first thing.
You are right. You are right.
Yeah.
You are right.
You
But the
missed
thing is, I
nothing.
was off. You know, I came in with the attitude that I don't know where the market is and what it's doing. So
Beachcomber wants to flirt with Miss K. Okay. But here she may or may not bite, so.
how is that possible?
How is it possible she may or may not bite? I don't know.
No, how is it possible? I'm looking at a thumbnail on my YouTube feed. I put my cursor over it, and the thumbnail shows a video. It's music, but it shows a video.
Yeah.
Then I click on the thumbnail to actually go to the video, and the thumbnail, the video, there's no movement. It's just a picture. So how is she moving on the thumbnail but not moving in the video? How can you create an animated thumbnail? That's really weird.
Here's what you do. You put it at the end or the beginning. You do the video.
No,
You do the thumbnail. Then you edit the video and cut it out. So we got wood chip incognito. Right? Or wood chip in disguise.
Not anymore. Not anymore.
Well, he done blurted it out.
Oh, did he really? I thought you go rent my. I thought you went to go read my Discord message.
I don't have one.
Yeah, I sent you one.
Oh, maybe I do. I don't know. Don't matter.
Hey. Done. Notifications. Anybody?
I still don't know who I am. You literally set it up there like 5 minutes ago, dude.
Did he really? I got banned on a robo stream. It's hard to do.
You got banned on a robo stream.
No workout, no sweat. That's funny. I like it. Good answer.
Too many trades? How do you take too many trades on a robo stream? Spam in the chat. YouTube's stupid about stuff like that sometimes.
Yeah, it's like it was invented in Alabama.
Right? They talk about how sophisticated their AI systems are.
Sammy.
All right, guys, I need a drink. I'll be back.
In Swahili, we say habari zenu, but you didn't tell me what it means. That can't mean hi. That's way too long for hi. Habari zenu. I know what habari zenu means. It means nice to meet you. Hey, Mosemi, habari zenu. Pour me a double. Oh, I could use one. I blew a PA thinking I was gambling with an eval. Oh, I hate that. Really? That's a lot of words for just hi. How do they ban you if it's a robo stream? How do they even know what you're saying? Yeah, that's almost as bad or as bad as when you think you're on micros and you're actually trading minis, and you take like a 6 lot or something, and then you go, "What the hell?" Well, no, it's not possible. I want my money back. So, Mosemi, if all that's for hello, how would you say how are you? If we have to say, where is it again? Habari Zenu. Nah, that can't mean hi. That means something else. That means more than hi. Maybe it means good greetings or warm greetings or something like that. More words. Yeah, that's kind of silly, Beachcomber. I don't know why people think like that. You know, viewers come, viewers go. Nobody here today is going to stay in my channel for eternity. Nobody stays in any channel for eternity. They move around, you know. Actually, more streamers should work together. And there'd be like cross-pollination as, you know, viewers hop in from one stream to another. I mean, my God, look how many streamers I visit. Methodical Man, Luna with regularity, Pine Tree Trader, but not so regular. I used to be Trades by Matt all the time. I used to be in, I always forget his voice, his name. Never forget his voice. I'll be here forever. I get to deliver some doors to the glass shop. What's his name? Shit, how can I always forget his name? No, not Woody. What's that guy's name? Nutty Bar! That's it. I was close with the Woody. Anyways, people shouldn't be so insecure about their viewers. There should be more cooperation among streamers. But whatever. It is what it is. I was with... Oh, yeah, you were, Skeletor. I remember. Wow. Do I remember? Do I remember? Today we have many guys in the house. Yeah, a little busy. I mean, I wouldn't say many. Growing slowly. It's about time. I could say that, in all honesty. Took a long time. It is what it is. You gotta like what you're doing. You gotta like this. And you know what? From the first day I got on the mic, I didn't know what to say. But I still loved it. I loved the creativity of it. I love creating the videos. I like doing stupid stuff. I used to do a lot of stupid stuff in my videos. I remember there was this one guy. What was his name? He used to come by in the beginning. He was my first subscriber. Like Skeletor was always in OFT stream. This guy was always in my stream. Can't remember his name. Anybody can anybody remember his name?
Was he a beachcomber?
He was a beachcomber. Woodchip. Good old Woodchip. I wonder what happened to Woodchip. Maybe one day our paths will cross. It's been so long. I haven't heard anything from Butter or Mike Stunts. Yeah.
They all got banned from the robo streams. They don't go online anymore.
Hey, I got a story. I banned my first person. What was the story? I forgot it. You knew it, Omnius. What was the guy doing?
Oh, that guy calling you a prick. Like, listen here, you fucking prick.
Was that it? I don't remember. I got angry. Can you believe it? I always prepared myself for my first hater.
It's funny because I always get the haters and I never get mad. And you get the first one and you're like super mad.
I did. It got to me. It's like, how can you hate me? I don't do anything.
Guys,
I don't do anything wrong.
Guys, this guy messaged Mike, right? And like a minute later, listen here, you fucking prick. You answer my damn comments. Mike's like, holy shit. It hasn't even been 2 minutes. I'm like, fuck, dude, calm down. He's talking. Like, give him 30 seconds.
And then I think what makes it funny is I'm telling Omnius, I don't care. Big deal. I don't care. 20 minutes later, I text him. I banned him.
That was funny. Hey, Mike, while I was taking a break, I was thinking of something. Might be a little childish, but I still got to tell you, right? If I flick you off, then technically I did it in like 5 different time zones. So it's almost like me going back in time and doing it again.
Huh? How do you figure?
Well, the one guy's in India, so it's like 9 o'clock there. So, right, I'm flicking you off at 11 o'clock. I'm flicking you off at 10 o'clock. I'm flicking you off at 9 o'clock. And I'm flicking you off. Hey, not wood chip, but beachcomb guy. What time is it where you're at? Like 5 o'clock?
8.
It'll all come to you later. Don't worry about it.
I can flip you off anytime. I thought this was a job friendly with the language. What happened?
8:12.
I don't know.
We got 8:12. We got 10. We got 11. And we got 9 o'clock at night. Yeah. It was funny. Just went over his head, guys. It's okay.
I'm still thinking about it.
Don't ban me like you did that one guy.
I'm smiling.
Fine. All right, guys, hide again.
I prefer the that still photo. Is that Prism that allows you to do that still photo? You know, when you take a break, you get the.
Nope, that's VCam. You downloaded VCam. I don't know why you don't use it.
Can you tell that this isn't? That I'm still live.
If I can come over here, I can press pause. Then I can eat my pretzel and it don't look like I got something weird in my mouth.
Can you tell I'm not on pause?
I totally can't tell. Doing such a great job. The ventriloquist job? Not so much.
My son's out there in the other office going, what the fuck are they doing? Don't they ever trade?
Same thing we do every day. Trade and tell inappropriate jokes.
Let's go back to the 15-second chart and see what we got going. Oh, we have a trade. A little bit of momentum, a little bit of price expansion to the downside off the high of the day. Took out an internal low. Favorite part about it is you want to see a little bit of a retrace and then take out an internal high. And now we want to see a CISD, or a bearish fair value gap, which I think we're going to get right now in the close of this candle. No, not yet. I will let you know. No, we didn't get the entry yet. We'll keep watching. We need a close below this bullish candle right here. Once we do, that's a decent short for a scalp, a 1-to-1 scalp. Let's mark it in already. If we get the close, I think, did we get the close? No, we still didn't get the close below. Has to be an obvious close below. Obvious close. And of course, that's not the entry. The entry is where the candle closes. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. Can we call that a close? I would call that a close below. It's not the greatest, but anyways, there you go. 1 for 1. Let's watch this one.
Just the dump everyone's looking for?
I don't know. 100 points down, but it's looking like the short. Now we may see some reversal. If I can get in at a better price, maybe around 26. Wow, there's not a lot of volatility in the markets, eh? What do we got here? Oh my God, it's quiet. 10-point ATR. Nobody told me. Don't expect miracles then on this trade. Just take the 1-to-1. Take the 1-to-1 and run. I wouldn't hang on for. I'm not hanging on for 100 points.
How do we have a 10-point ATR after this move?
Yeah, pretty crazy, eh?
Okay.
Does Mark Carney say, "Eh"? Anybody notice? Does he give a speech at the UN and say, "Eh"?
Is he Canadian?
Yeah, I have no idea. I think you have to be Canadian to be the prime minister.
Shit, I don't know. I barely know about politics in my own country or state or wherever.
I love American politics. It's so entertaining. Seriously, there you go. There's your 1-to-1. There's your 1-to-1. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed that trade.
Isn't Beachcomber a good name?
It is.
What is it? What does it mean? Like you're combing your hair at the beach?
And that was taken off the 15-second chart. Let's go back to the 2-minute to make Omnius happy.
Wood chip. Only if it said Beachcomber slays. Right?
Here's the real wood chip.
The real wood chip. Mike, do you say imposter or impasta?
Impasta. I'm not from Boston. I'm not from Boston. If I was from Boston, I would say impasta. But I'm from Comb the Beach.
There's Skeletor. He just caught up. Wood chip is Beachcomber? No wood chip. No Skeletor.
No way.
Beachcomber is wood chip.
Way. No
Maybe.
way.
May or may not be. We don't know. The Spaceballs movies reference.
Find the tile, make a match, duck race, dual board, portrait, wide, beat the dealer V2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, I have a portfolio of 7 games.
Beachcomber Skeletor probably at work in a meeting, so he don't catch everything.
That's a really good song. With the walks on the beach with the pina coladas.
Maybe he was. Maybe he was.
Let's see, make a match. What?
All right, pushing again. If I buy it this time, does it go up or does it go down?
Oh my God, it's so crude.
What's crude?
Yeah. This game that I haven't completed yet. It's still in development phase, so there's no graphics and stuff. Everything is placeholders. Okay, we can't use that one.
Beachcomber said, "I'd love long weeks on the beach with Miss K. Deal me in."
TNT grid. I like pick and win, but we can't play it when there's so many players. It'll take too long. That's the problem. That's what's going to happen if... Okay, forget pick and win. I think we're just going to go with dual board. 15, 16, 17, 20, 20.
We ready for games? My P&L goes up, my P&L goes down. My P&L goes up, my P&L goes down.
I remember when you said that last time in another stream. Yeah, I'm getting it up slowly.
You have problems with that? I got pills for that.
I don't know. I think you do too. My penile goes up. My penile goes down. My penile goes up. My penile goes down.
I don't have any problem with that.
Based. File. Save. Let's see what it looks like. I don't even know what the image is. I think it's me. What?
Penalties for penal infractions?
Uh-oh.
Did the market just die? Skeletors might be your sell everything moment. Mike, you call my wife, you tell her you better get him some pizza. What do you think?
I think you deserve pizza.
Remember as kids, we all used to call each other's houses and prank call them and stuff? Prank call my wife, tell her to get me a pizza. Ready for a rally again upwards? Do we dump or go to the moon? Oh, I forgot. I got my Mr. Beast or Joe Biden. Oh man. Messed up. How does this keep happening?
Okay, that's the game we're going to play. I don't know why it's not working, but that's the game we're going to play. Let me have a sip of coffee. Are we running some couple of qualifiers? I think we have a few new people, so maybe we should run a couple of qualifiers. We got Beachcomber, Bangs, and Tubbs. Well, Bangs isn't new, really. It's just Beachcomber and Tubbs. You want to run a few qualifiers just for Beachcomber and Tubbs?
Yeah, while you was lollygagging, I was fixing my my Mr. Beast or Joe Biden.
Okay.
Now people can choose which direction by whether they want to Mr. Beast or Joe Biden. Come on, man. Did I do that?
Okay, we're going to give Beachcomber and Tubbs a chance, or 2 chances to qualify, and then we'll start playing the finals. Okay, that doesn't work, so we get rid of it. But if I put this here, what's going to happen? Perfect, put that there. Last man standing, prop drop wide, the wall V1, prop drop wide, last man standing. What's this? I like this one. I think this is the one we're going to play. Okay, perfect. We have the perfect game. And perfect. There we go. Does it work? Your file couldn't be accessed. It might have been moved, edited, or deleted. File not found. Why is it telling me that? Does anybody have an explanation?
It might have been moved or deleted.
No, it's not. It's not. It's accessing the file. It's just it's a batch file. Okay, well, we'll just have to load it up the old-fashioned way. Close. So who are we giving a chance to? Tubbs and Beachcomber. Anybody else new in the room? Trade like a pro. Do you guys trade during high impact news? Yes, I love the volatility. Skeletor, I'm back. I love how we're running Mechanical and Fed Chairman. Trade like a pro. Trade like a pro. Trade like a pro. You got your chance, right? I'm pretty sure you did. We called you Pro Trader. Yes, you did. Beachcomber. So Tubbs and yo, Tubbs, Beachcomber, are you guys still here? Not gonna run it if you guys aren't here. I mean, 11:20. Beachcomber looks like he's still here. Tubbs,
He's combing his hair at the beach.
you little tub. In the meantime, it looks like I can apply my strategy again. Edit. I missed the perfect entry, but it's okay. It's a good. We'll wait for Tubbs for a bit. If there's no Tubbs, okay, time up. That was your time, Tubbs. Let's get to the qualifiers. Who do we got? Let me make a little list over here. What's the date today? The 23rd. We got Miss K, Miss K, Miss K. That was on Monday. Tuesday, Miss K, Miss K, Miss K. That was Tuesday, Wednesday. Miss K, Miss K, Miss K. It's almost like that. No, we got Miss K, Skeletor, Hamza, Bangs, SP King, and Miss K, Miss K, Miss K, Joker. Trade like a pro. Trade like a pro. Miss K, Skeletor, and Miss K again. Control copy.
Did you?
Control V.
You got Miss K?
Get Miss K? I did. Bang, boop. What's that? That's the market. I was hoping a winner. Okay, let me make the list. Miss K, I'll let you choose the game. You want to play the wall or last man standing? Last man standing. Last man standing it is. Miss K. Everybody gets their ball allocation or double the balls? So many choices. Yeah, these are the choices I always have to make. What do you say, Omnius? Double balls? We double everyone up?
To play with your balls or not to play with your balls? That is the question.
Yeah, I think double everybody up. It'll go too fast if I don't double it. If I don't double everybody up. Futures Floor and Omnius are always in the game. Diet Coke is out. Control V. Save and apply. Or single. Hold on, let me see. Let me put a ton of pegs. See what it looks like. Ball size. Countdown. Okay, I have to make some changes now because I don't think the board's going to get caught. Something's happening with my file system. Maybe my computer needs a reboot or something. Did we catch it? We did. We caught it. Excellent. Okay, I'm not trading anymore. I think we can agree on that, even though my system just took a losing trade, but that's okay. Cancel orders, positions.
I'm gonna text my wife and tell her Mike said pick me up a pizza.
Stop talking. Yes.
You stop talking.
Remove. Okay.
Are you on my side with the pizza or not?
I am. I'm always am when it comes to pizza. This is a warm-up game. I just want to see what it's going to look like. Oh, it's still firing out pretty quickly. Whoa, they're really going fast. That's not what I expected. That's not what I expected. Okay, this looks good.
Anybody catch any of that short trade right there? Everybody cheer for Mikey's balls. Good luck, Mikey's balls.
It does say warm-up, right? Don't want anybody to be misled here. Tilt.
Beachcomber, WTF. Yes, we trade futures.
Okay, I'm ready to go. I just got to stretch my screen.
With the futures? Nah, I like we trade futures better. Mikey, you lube up your balls. You get them nice and lubed. Got them ready? Mikey, you want your balls to be so lubed that when Miss K tries to grab them, they slip out of her hand. Super lube. There you go.
Yeah, you gotta watch Miss K. Knows what she's doing. Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah. Ungraspable. That's offensive? Oh, shit.
It's very defensive.
Mike, run the disclaimer.
It's very do not copy our trades. We trade drunk. We're misleading everybody with that flashing arrow. That's not where you need to go.
Don't listen to anything we say. We're here to make inappropriate jokes.
Actually, that is where you need to go.
Because life and trading would be kind of boring without them.
What? Such an idiot.
NC-17? I don't even know what that is.
This just got unrated 17. I don't know. You know, like the movies there. Oof. Okay, I'm ready to go. Are you all ready? Say yeah.
Movies?
Movies. Omnius, are you ready? We're up on Discord. I put it up.
Okay. I was looking for a complaint section, so if anybody had complaints, but we'll work on it. Guys, we're going to work on a complaint section. What I got to do? This one? This one?
Wow.
Got it.
Wow, your screen is backwards. Backwards, forwards. You got everything going there.
Hmm?
You got everything going on your screen. You got backwards, you got forwards.
Oh. I mean, it's your fault.
It is. We're waiting for Omnius.
Is that the one? Did that do it?
As soon as Omnius takes his seat, we'll taxi onto the runway.
You're off to the side somewhere.
Yeah, I know. I just saw it. Hello! Where do you wrench hail from on stream?
What?
I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. Okay, guys, I have no idea how fast or slow this is going to go. It is what it is. This is for the Bullinox account for the week.
I thought you were doing a qualifier.
No, that was for Tubbs. Yo Tubbs left. No qualifier for someone who's not here. I'm not going to qualify someone who's not here.
Yo, Tubbs, you there? In
Hey,
5,
Beachcomber.
4, 3. All right, fuck it. He ain't here.
What are we doing? Fire or burst? We might as well do a burst. It's the finals. Give everyone the equal chance.
Moderate,
Okay.
guys. What?
Guys. I am top mechanic for Luna Alpine Pine Tree and now TWB, if that's what you mean. I don't know what that means, mechanic. A top mechanic. You ready to go?
Who's TWB?
Come on, it's 11:40. It's 11:40. Doesn't matter. Odd.
Maybe I want to know who TWB is.
Trades with Brad. You don't watch Trades with Brad. Run it. Mikey's already screaming. Mikey's got to go. He's got a doctor's appointment. Let's go. I don't
All right,
know
run
if Mikey's in there. Run it.
I thought he was lubing his balls.
You're the announcer again, whatever the play-by-play. Goodbye. Go.
Go. 15. Oh, God. I'm not counting down 15. We'll wait till it gets 5.
Last man standing. You know the rules, ladies and
5,
gentlemen.
4, 3, 2, 1. Fire.
The last
Miss
ball.
K, you're out. SB King, you're out. Bangs. Is that 2 bangs?
I have no idea. Was that a double bank?
It might have been a double banger. Trade like a pro, you're out.
Oh my God, there are a shit ton of Miss K balls out there.
Guys, you gotta tackle Miss K.
And they're all on the sides.
Ooh, Skeletor, you're out. Ooh, Miss K just missed it. And in. Miss K, you're out. Miss K, you're out. Uh-oh.
Joker's in there because he won a qualifier. Miss K's in there because she won like 7,000 qualifiers. This was her week.
Everybody gets a qualifier.
Oh,
If
Skelly.
they qualify, they get a ball in the game.
Wow, there's not a lot left.
Who do we
Futures
got?
can't win.
Oh, we got Joker, Hamza, and Futures. Miss K, you're out. Ooh, Miss K, you're out.
Yeah, you're leaving it to Joker.
Oh, Futures, you're out. Oh, it's getting good now.
It's a
Hamza,
tight game.
Joker, and Miss K.
This guy's gonna go hunt someone. Gonna go knock Hamza into the pit. Go get him. Go get him. No, she
Joker,
missed him
you're
there.
out.
She missed him there. Look
Ooh.
at her just stalking him on the right side. Hey, I'm not even going near the pit, Hamza. Oh no!
Oh, that was close.
What was that? Guys, there are pegs on the board. You just don't see them.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
And again, Miss K's got some moves. Hamza's holding in there.
The pegs are there. Just so you know, that wasn't some cheat code to make it rigged. There are pegs. Oh, Miss K, you might not make it. You might not make it.
Hamza, good job.
Last man standing. Hamza survives the Miss K barrage. Joker won. You got to be here, Beachcomber. You got to type in giveaway question mark. We've changing it. Now it's giveaway question mark.
Yeah, right. The odds. Miss K, you have like 7 balls.
We run, see, that's the deal. We run the qualifiers 3 times a day. And if you show up and type in giveaway, yeah, he was actually. If you type in, go watch the stream. Of course he was. I'll tell you what day. You can go watch the stream. He qualified on Wednesday, January 21st. He was the last one to qualify. The third game. Miss K qualified, won the first one. Miss K qualified, won the second one, and he won the third one. Bum. Yeah, if you guys type in exclamation mark, well, no, giveaway. Anyway, you just type any fucking thing into the chat before we start on the mic. You get 2 balls during every qualifying game. Why are you getting so angry if Joker was here? Jokers, everybody's welcome in my chat. Anyways, with that being said, Hamza, congratulations. I have to figure out why my code's not working. Hamza, if you're here, Hamza, if you're here, we'll send you some info in the Discord. Yeah, we didn't do a giveaway. The giveaway today is the finals. Wood chip. Qualifiers during the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is the game, is the finals. You're so funny. Wood chip, you're not listening. Today was not for people who typed in giveaway. It was for people who won the qualifiers on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We run the finals on Friday for all the qualifiers here. I'll show you the list. See the little list here as I go up? The 8th, the 2nd, the 15th, those are all the qualifiers during the week. It's not now we have rules. We always had the rules. There you go. Let me move it over. Why is it not moving? There we go. All the days, those are all the qualifiers. Down there, those are the winners. Everything up and up. Qualifiers, Monday to Thursday, for those who don't understand the order. Monday to Thursday, qualifiers. Friday, the finals. We don't run qualifiers on Friday. Sometimes we will run a qualifier for someone who's completely new, like Bugsy, or whatever he was. Yo, Bugs. Show up once in a while and you'd know. You tell him, Miss K. Okay, I have to remember. Hamza. Did you write it down, Omnius?
I can, if you want me to.
I'm going to forget. Boom. Boom. There we go.
Got it? You write down or I need to write down?
Well, the thing is, I don't know if I have them in... no, let me just send him a message out in the Discord, Futures Floor, and go to General. And just give a shout out. Congrats to Hamza, winner of this week 50K Bullinox account. Hamza. He'll be in another day anyways. Contact me via DM. I have his data and stuff, so. Boom, 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 boom. Send. There we go. We're all sent out.
All good?
All good. Now I got to make sure I don't close Discord like I always do. There we go. Sorry for the confusion there, Beachcomber. Okay, my platform is closed.
What does that mean?
I think that means the day's over.
Nah.
Really? Okay. I'll make it look like price is moving. Whoa, markets are volatile. You can see it? Look at that. How do you trade this? How do you trade that movement?
Yeah, I take a poll. Guys, y'all ready to call it a day or no? 10 more minutes?
Friday. It's Friday. It's a long weekend.
Yeah. It don't matter to me. You don't have to twist my arm.
I wouldn't mind the little bit of a break. I'm just checking if Hamza was there. Joker wasn't here. Why Miss K, Beachcomber giveaway. Oh, there it is. There's the Beachcomber giveaway. Super lubed. Okay, I don't see him. It's a long weekend. Yeah, for me it is. Saturday and Sunday. I got a ton of work to do.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
I gotta come up with some kind of excuse why I can't go camping. And text my wife that Mike said she needs to buy me a pizza.
Clear your throat. Make it sound like you're getting sick.
I don't like faking sick because then you get sick. Yeah, you ever fake sick so good you get sick?
Yeah. Guys, thanks for hanging out. Again, Hamza, congratulations on your win. You beat out Miss K. She had you by the balls, we can say.
Like 7-1, wasn't it?
Yeah, it really was. Hamza, I think, only had one qualifier. Let me just check again. I'm just curious. Hamza once. Yeah, he had one ball.
That goes to show you never count it out.
3, 4, 5, 6. Miss K had 6 or 7. I don't know. This kid had 6 or 7. Minimum, she had 6. So, way to go. Back on the mic. Monday morning, 9:15 or earlier. And if you guys click the notifications bell, subscribe, click the notifications. Actually, hit like on the way out. It really does help boost the channel. As you see, the channel's growing a little bit. But hit the subscribe and the notifications. And that way, if I am doing my back testing on the weekend, you'll get notified. You'll be able to join the stream and see what I'm doing. Other than that, thanks for hanging out. Appreciate it. It was fun. I hope you guys had a good time. And catch me on Alpine now. Miss K at Beachcomber. Yeah, guys, go check out Alpine. I don't know what his channel is, but
Alpine Trader.
Alpine Trader. Yeah. Have a good weekend, guys. And we will see you next week.
Guys, have a good weekend. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Miss K, don't worry about it. I don't have a no
Sharks have
policy
had
like
their
that.
say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. The trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Strange ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. The trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow.